There was a little moment we had then, but when we were travelling at a little bit of speed, the back did kind of just come out.
A truck come out, and then he basically pressed brake, and the back end come out on the Skyline. The truck is coming, and he managed to get the Skyline back in the back end to come back straight again, and the truck just went past us. And that was that moment. The way he did that, I've never been in a car seat with anybody that's able to pull off and move like that, and I don't know many drivers that would be able to do that. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be watching the most infamous video of Hoodstick Skyline R33 700 brake horsepower featured on Living Life Fast Ricky, aka Man Like Ricky. So in 2019, before my YouTube channel was even opened or did everything, I bought the Nissan Skyline from Eric, and I thought, why not take it on a YouTube channel that back then was like the first person, or in the UK, that was reviewing cars, featuring cars. And what started off back in 2019, like, there's so many car YouTube channels now, it's crazy, because obviously Ricky was one of the first people where I jumped on his channel, got featured with the Skyline that I bought. So this is it, guys. This is the video that was uploaded by Ricky 6 years ago. That's when I made the YouTube channel, and that's when I first featured the Skyline to Ricky. Look at the title. This 700 bhp Nissan Skyline R33 is absolutely 226,000 views, If you guys are ready for this one, buckle up, because it's gonna be like real, like, my reaction. I've never seen it since then. So for me, it's like a huge, I'm taking you guys with me. So jump in, get your tea and coffee up. We're gonna watch it together. 3, 2, 1. Sick. Look at that. I'm scared right there, by the way. Oh, look at the cam works. Nissan Skyline. That's the car that's in the unit right now. All dusty, undercover. I haven't drove it in 2 years. Hoodstick. Look at the Skyline, bro.
Man like Mudge.
How you doing, Ricky?
You good, brother?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna call you Mudge. Hoodstick. So you're coming from Birmingham, yeah? Yeah.
You got that right.
Skyline R33.
Yeah.
YouTuber as well. Started at your channel a couple of months
now. Oh my gosh, I'm so skinny. Look
Look
at my beard.
You going well?
Trying my best again. I was inspired by Ricky. That's why I started the channel.
That's
true story, guys.
No, love for that, man.
2019.
And you seem to be doing well, because the videos, I see you got some nice clean thumbnails. You're getting decent views for your subscribers as well.
Trying to, bro.
To the driving, which is what
I'm holding it in so much. Look at my teeth, man.
Man, he recorded himself with Steve.
Yeah, man. From the hoods.
Yep,
700 horsepower. Oh, look at that engine bay.
What model is it? It's not the
Looking beautiful.
Man, do your thing, bro.
Look at this. Look at me giving it. Yeah. By the way, it looks a lot faster.
Immediately.
That's the screamer pipe doing the work there.
Yeah.
It sounds all quiet, but the minute you want boost, that's it.
Whoa, look at that. We're going so fast, guys.
The sounds are unreal.
Yeah. I was in low boost, by the way,
Give it a
guys.
little bit of spin, right?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah,
It's
it feels tight, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's hard to give it in volts like that, by the way.
Just under a ton, but 1400.
Just under a ton?
Yeah. No, sorry, no.
1400, yeah?
1400 something.
Okay.
I made a mistake,
They are a little
guys.
heavy, aren't they? So what mode are we in at the moment? Is that low boost?
That's
or
low
My
boost.
ADHD was kicking in then.
Yeah.
520?
Yeah, that's only
Yeah.
520.
We're
520.
gonna come out of that mode today.
Yeah.
What about the gearbox?
Ricky
Is it
really
stock?
wanted to drive that car.
Clutch. I don't think we mentioned clutch.
OS Jigging triple plate clutch.
So what's it like to use?
Got a new clutch now. Got a stage 2
It's
twin
street
plate
roads and
clutch.
stuff around the city, it can be a bit
Got
tricky,
modernised
but
clutch.
Once you get used to it, it's not too bad,
Is it grabby or?
Sometimes it's unpredictable. For new
It's actually
drivers,
alright, the
Okay.
clutches.
So you got to,
It's a high biting point.
Okay.
Yeah, the roads are pretty bad, a lot of debris. You can tell.
It feels really hunkered down to the ground, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wow, the back end come out then.
That's purely the wheel just completely stand there. And that's the only-
R8Rs, man. It's a bit damp as well out here, guys.
That's the
We're
one.
obviously going to keep it nice and sensible,
He hasn't changed the way he looks. He still looks the same.
Now we're going to go right. Yeah, it just spins, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's
So
not,
hard to grip.
uncontrollable spin, is it?
And a lot of people say with classic cars, it's a real driver's car. You
It
gotta know
is.
what you're doing with these cars. This car can bite you back if you're not like
Alert.
True.
alert
Facts.
awareness. It can just spin out. It can just
I stand by that,
You
guys.
can just slide out literally.
Right, so you gotta be always ready.
I went
to
sideways in that
How
car
long have you
so
owned the
many
car?
times.
So I've had it just under a year now. No issues whatsoever.
But I had it parked up. Oh. Go on, Hood Stick. Go on, Stick. Let's go. Show Ricky what time it is.
Yeah, that's no.
So how does that wheel feel? You know when it starts to slide sideways?
Yeah.
Does it feel free? Like, or does it kind of grab the road? The steering wheel?
It just feels free.
Is it the fastest car you've owned?
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah.
that's
It
fun.
was.
You own a few cars as well, don't you?
Yeah.
Do I?
But it's gonna be revealed for the channel, but I'll do a snippet.
Yeah.
Either way, Impressors.
That's true.
possibly a Supra, but I can't say too much.
Back
Definitely check
then-
out the channel. You've not been doing it long. You've got about 200-300 subscribers.
200-300
Some of you
subscribers,
subscribed
guys.
today.
6 years ago, guys. We're going so fast. I thought I was scaring him, but I wasn't.
Like 8,000.
I did.
8,000 shit. What we hit 5k so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The more faster this car
It's my
goes,
pride and joy, so I didn't want to rag it, guys.
Okay.
So when I'm on a high boost,
Especially that car's worth so much money. I put all my savings into it.
Spins, but I can handle it.
So imagine
The car can
crashing that.
lay it down.
You would be
But
so
at the end of the
upset.
day, It just wants to fishtail all day long. This is low boost. I'm trying to
High
find-
boost, yeah?
That's high boost.
For us.
He knows what time it is. I had to concentrate, guys.
Feel how much more sensitive the car becomes.
Yeah, it bounces.
You just tap in the throttle as well.
Yeah, just tap in literally.
Yeah. I don't want to risk it, guys. I don't know the roads, you know what I'm saying?
Oh man, look at that wheel. That's roll light. Must be like
Good power steering in that Skyline.
That's well grabby the clutch.
Look the way he drives it, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable.
Rotating, boy. Literally rotates.
Hands down, he's a driver and a half. I didn't expect that from Ricky. To just jump in a car and then put his foot down.
Nimble as F.
He's not scared at
Up in
all.
the driving position as well. Like the view. So you got all your
Nah, that chair is not the best. Very uncomfortable. Look at him.
That sounds lovely.
I'm enjoying this myself.
It's true, I was also scared as well.
Wow, you couldn't wait to get on high beast, didn't it?
That's low boost as well,
Oh,
isn't
isn't
it? It's not tram lining or anything.
Yeah,
Nice. No lag.
Nah,
definitely no lag.
It's built for that. So it
The
doesn't
boost
pop
comes in
back.
so fast.
It's because it's tuned performance purely for no
I
lag.
gotta pop on back
You know
now.
what the owner spent on this previously?
Oh man.
I'd say about if it,
No guess, but he said
Let's see.
it's gotta be it's more than 20,000.
yeah.
20,000 for this.
Right now,
It's a rough
today,
guess.
you're gonna
So if
spend
you build
20,
something
30 grand
more or less,
to build that car
if you
now.
own a Skyline,
I know
you
it.
know how much it costs.
It's so expensive. Ooh,
Wow.
Ah, that's nice, isn't it, on the back? Guys, it's just like slivers underneath your...
it's because he's not scared. If you be in that car with me, guys, it's scary. Look, I was bricking it, guys. He's got.
I really want to see how you drive it. How you give it to your driver.
The
He
car,
is.
It immediately fills you with confidence.
Scary driver.
So like, yeah, I feel very safe.
Hats
with
off.
what I'm doing.
I don't know how he does it. I genuinely don't know.
Done, yeah?
Yeah, done.
High boost. The back end's going like this. He's got one hand. He's got one hand in the steering wheel as he's doing it. 700 brake horsepower.
See that? No traction.
No traction. Has it got any assists? Nothing.
But I've never been in a
Yeah,
car
as you get up to speed, it
that
moves a little
scary
bit, but
in
it's
my
still
entire
feels
life,
very,
guys.
very
It's the
safe.
scariest car I've ever been in, and we own it.
That's like 10% throttle. That was about 30% throttle.
Yeah. we were going. I done that basically. The back end was coming out. Look at that. You see the way the back end come out then? I'm calling him a driver.
Mate, you've got a car and a half. It's all worth it for that sound.
This is
and
what,
wow, what a drivable car.
1000%.
This is what I dreamed of.
What I
did.
like about some of these Japanese cars, you can
All my
really
life,
beat
guys.
them,
It's
and,
all true, man.
Yeah, they just do it all day long. Cars all good, yeah?
Yeah.
On a break, nothing.
We drove like that for 2-3 years like that. It's been solid.
RB stands for race built.
Right.
Facts.
Engine, literally.
You heard it there, guys.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so light.
Yeah. I'm starting to brick it now, guys.
Oh my god, this would be
Thinking.
unbelievable on track.
Yeah, he would. Look at him. Look at him. Send it, fam. Yeah. Yo. I am breaking it, guys.
Jeez. You see how it just comes out though? It's nice though, it's controllable.
Comes
Like,
out.
it does, like you say, it comes out, innit? Just get out of here now, innit?
Yeah. we're almost like
Yeah.
Had a
you've got to
close
modulate
call.
the throttle, like, you've got to be very smooth with it. Just, you know, I'm going 10% into 20, 30, and then you can sort of, you know, rev limiter, but it's not even at the top of its speed in the gear.
Yeah, that's
You hit the
true.
red limiter, but you can still keep going. You've got to
Yeah.
back off and get back on again. Guys, this is like, this guy's just provided me with one of the sickest driving experiences, man. Especially letting me rip it as well.
Thank you, Ricky. You're welcome,
Guys,
Ricky.
it is.
No problem.
It's like, it's a joke.
I
But
know.
you can still feel everything what's going on with the roads.
Oh yeah.
It does
Fucking
shock me
so
too.
light and nimble, man.
Right.
Trust me, man. Like mad, you know.
Yeah.
The previous owner who had it 12 years, and he's 67.
You've had this.
He's over 70
for
now.
nearly a year, you say, yeah.
Yeah.
And honestly, what have you had to do anything like spend any kind of money?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just an oil change. That's it.
Just
Facts.
an oil change. And how much have you driven it?
Over 1,000 miles. Took it to players. 5-hour drive there, 5-hour
Yeah.
drive back. No
True.
problems.
So it's not your daily drive, obviously. What do you?
Weekend drive.
What do you daily? Do you have any?
Yeah, I can't afford to drive that every day.
Civic Type R's. Every time I drive this, I'm like, wow, this is the best car ever.
Guys,
Facts,
this
man.
is fucking 10 out of 10, man. I'm telling you.
And-
What a car.
and he
You
really-
need to drive in. Like, this is a certified driver's car. Like you say, the driving experience.
He really meant it as well.
I've definitely not experienced something like this. Guys, this is an unrivaled driving experience, man. Obviously,
Yeah.
if you're not into rear-wheel drive cars, like it's gonna scare you a lot, man. But if you're used to the back end just messing about underneath
It
the
is
cars,
scary.
it's perfect. Like there was a little moment we had then where, you know, when we were traveling at a little bit of speed, the back did kind of just come out.
A truck come out, and then he basically pressed brake, and the back end come out on the Skyline. The truck is coming, and he managed to get the Skyline back in, the back end to come back straight again, and the truck just went past us. And that was that moment. The way he did that, I've never been in a car seat with anybody that's able to pull off and move like that. And I don't know many drivers that would be able to do that.
You know, obviously this should be on track, really. It would be
Yeah.
definitely nice to experience it on a longer straight, but
Yeah.
I think taking it round a couple of roads.
Autobahn, guys.
I mean, even if I did that little spin out, so controllable, man.
Yeah,
yeah.
it is
Comes out
nice.
nicely.
Walk in the park.
Do you want to just quickly let everyone know what you're doing with your YouTube channel then? Little opportunity to
Yeah,
help you
guys,
land
subscribe, yeah?
ideas.
You all know what this car's capable of. You all know what Ricky did. There's a lot more of this footage to do for myself on my channel. Again,
Yeah.
he inspired me to make this channel. So
Yep,
I'm
he
just gonna
did.
document everything about this car. Obviously how the car runs, a more detail about this car, and how I service the car. I'm just new to the channel, 200-300 subscribers. I really appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe now,
And
subscribe.
anybody else that's got Skylines, hit me up.
Yeah.
Hit me up, not him.
He raffles cars now, he does. I don't really see him feature cars.
Trust me, definitely a car you want to be following. And yeah, he does like to drive it as well. Yeah, I'll leave your links in the description. Guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did,
Yeah,
please hit the thumbs
I
up,
enjoyed
hit the
that.
subscribe
6 years
button,
later, I've enjoyed it.
And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Definitely. He still gives it. Look at him. He loves it.
Wow, brakes as well. I never even mentioned the brakes. Like the brakes are like
that's standard brakes now.
standard.
Yeah,
Because you
standard
reduce
brakes.
load,
isn't it?
load, and
Guys, the car's mad.
But maybe one day, you know, you'll get a Skyline.
Mate, I'm getting something sick soon, man.
Yeah.
Watch this space.
But if you guys enjoyed that video, you know, thank you very much. That was the pivot point of the YouTube channel, the main channel, Hoodstig. Well, at the moment we're at 24k subs, but this channel I like more because I get to like do videos like this and show you guys with me and react, you know, talk to you guys like, brother, like we're here together watching this video and we get inspired, we get motivated, and this is what we live for our passion and our hobbies, to build the cars, and that cars that has a connection to us, and then we show that car to everybody, and that's what it's all about. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that, and I got nothing more to say. Drop a comment down below what you guys think. I am motivated after watching that video, after 6 years later, that we have to get the Skyline out and make content on it, because that's the car that made the YouTube channel. And a lot of people did comment that, but we had too many project cars, so you know, so hopefully as the weather gets better, we are going to get that Skyline out. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out, fellow brotherhood Stigs.